So here we are, guys, welcome back. Today I've decided to head down to the coast. I'm at a very small breeding fulmar colony today, and there's also some shags down breeding below, and there's choughs, raven, resident kestrel, jackdaws, and lots of other seabird species as well here. So just nice to spend the morning. It's a cracking morning, just down the coast, nice and relaxing really. It's a slight breeze, and yeah, it's just great to be back really. It's certainly always sort of, for me, heralds the start of spring, especially on the coast when I see the fulmars displaying and in their nesting holes, ready for the breeding season. So yeah, fantastic. So this bay here I'm showing you on the GoPro now, that's Housel Bay. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, it's certainly great to be back along the coast for sure. I mean, days like today, absolutely lovely. The light is kind of bright now, so it's not ideal, especially trying to photograph a white seabird can be quite tricky because it does blow all that, the highlights and detail out of the bird, but kind of underexposing a little bit just to keep that down. But still, it's just really wonderful to be here to watch them really, and hearing them call, pair bonding. There's a few territorial disputes there between a few of the fulmars, and there's unpaired males or females that are trying to get into a couple and try to split them up, and that's quite interesting to watch. It's quite aggressive at times with a bit of their behaviour, but certainly lovely to see. And there's one just coming in now and flying off. Trying to get them in flight as well with this lens is quite difficult, but managed to get a few, and I've just switched over to the 5DSR just to get a few fine detail close-up shots. But yeah, just really pleasant to be here, just chill out on the cliffs for a morning really. Got a bit of a dispute going on here. It's quite interesting with fulmars actually. Where I'm positioned at the moment is acceptable to the birds. I've been doing this here for 20 years and they've never really had an issue. If I were to get too close to a fulmar's nest, which obviously I wouldn't do, they eject like a fishy fluid out of their mouth, and it ejects it all over you, just as a warning shot to keep away from the nest. But yeah, thankfully no got that close and got some fishy muck on me, but quite an interesting adaptation really they've got just to warn off any predators. So I'm probably going to stay here for another hour or so, and then I'm going to move around the corner. There's a nice raven round there, and there's also some kestrels that like to hunt along the cliffs, and there's a resident sparrowhawk. So I think I'm going to sort of head off that way and have a look and see if I can find something different, leave these guys to it. So this is the current position here. As you can see, the shags are just down there, and that's one hell of a drop, and that's pretty much a sheer cliff there. So my lens barrel is pointing over the edge, but still I'm relatively safe here as long as I don't go much further forward. Female's sitting on the nest, but she's not got any eggs yet, and the male's quite close by, and it's amazing the detail of the shag's feathers at the back. I mean, it's just beautiful, and they've both got the crests displayed, and it's just amazing, really. The colours are fantastic. In fact, it's on the move, I think. It's a bit hairy right on the edge of this cliff. Jeez, it's wow. You do not want to lean forward here. Beautiful crest on them, absolutely fantastic. It's such a busy place. You've got herring gulls, jackdaws, fulmars. Whoop, fulmars flying all around your head. Fantastic, really, absolutely lovely. They've picked a cracking spot. They're right in the sun. Beautiful. Little niches into the rocks. I mean, they've been in these same positions for God knows how long, but the seabird population is in quite drastic decline. There's some great flybys here. I don't know if you can pick it up on the GoPro, but the fulmars are winging their way right past me here. Too fast for me to get any decent pictures of, but fantastic to watch in the air. They really are superb. Oh, fantastic. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. God, the 5DSR is a little slower on the buffer, but it gets there when it can. Oh yeah, lovely. Some lovely shots there. Right, I'm going to head back up, I think. It's kind of been non-stop action so far this morning. It's been fulmar disputes, shag disputes, jackdaw disputes, chuffs and raven. So really, really nice to see. Really, really good. Got a couple shots of a chuff as well, which was nice, just perched on a rock. And gonna head off in a moment and just move around the coast to a new location to see if we can find the resident kestrel that's got a nice little perch around the corner, and hopefully we might be able to pick something up there. But it's been fantastic sort of 3 hours this morning. Hope you've enjoyed it so far. You know, it is so pleasant to get back on the coast, it really is. In fact, I think, as you can probably hear, there is a bit of a fulmar dispute going on. I'm hoping to get a bit of behaviour there. But yeah, I'm going to head off in about half hour and then find a new spot. So guys, once again, thanks very much indeed for following along on this coastal vlog. It's been superb today. I've absolutely loved it. Heading to the coast, not a soul about. Lovely to spend some time with the seabirds. And there's a lot of things happening at the moment. The formers are pair bonding, the shags are nesting, you know, herring gulls, blackbacks, there's been gannets, razorbill, pods of dolphins, there's been seals. You know, it's been superb, it really has. So yeah, if you've enjoyed it, please hit that like button, leave us a comment, and if you don't subscribe, maybe fancy giving the channel a go, click that all important subscribe button in the bottom of the screen and that all important bell notification to be notified of any new vlogs coming your way. As always, from me and the noisy gulls, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.